Hello language learners, welcome back to Single Step English. Today we're diving into the phrase, that all depends. We use this phrase when the answer isn't simply yes or no. For instance, if a friend asks, do you like spicy food? You might answer, that all depends on the dish. Here, you're saying it depends what spicy dish we're talking about. If it's mildly spicy, then you might really like that food. But if it's very spicy, you cannot eat it. Therefore, that all depends. Or if someone asks, can you come to the party? You could respond, that all depends on the day. Meaning, your ability to come to the party depends on the day and time of the party. That all depends. Okay, my wonderful viewers, can you use that all depends in a sentence? Answer this question in the comments section below. Do you enjoy watching movies? That all depends is your language friend for those not so simple questions. Keep practicing and soon you'll be using it like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and join us for more language fun. See you next time.